Wave hello. Yes. We're at the lock. It's exciting stuff. It's water moving slowly north. And extremely.
We have grass as well.
We have grass, we have trees, private residence, Tuborg, a boat.
Go inside the boat.
No, it's not my boat. We can stand on the rock. Well, you can.
I'm the king of the world.
It's got seats.
Oh no, I'm German. I have to do it like this.
I'll take a photo.